Just when you thought the price of the pump was starting to milk you dry, things about to get even worse. And you can't blame big oil companies this time around. Turns out the state's gas tax going up as of today. Ken Pierce has been out at the pumps all day long and here now with all the details. Ken.
And Keith, whether you know it or not, every time you fill up in Connecticut, you pay two separate state taxes. One is a flat tax per gallon. That's staying the same. The other is a percent of the price per gallon. That actually went up today, and it went up because of a vote taken 8 years ago. The tax hike that started today is just 1% more per gallon, but these days that's about 4 cents a gallon. Not good, right?
Oh, no, not really. I mean, but what can you do? You just got to pay it. You got to drive.
It's a burden more than anything else. You just say, when is it going to stop?
It's a burden that can add up for a busy mom.
Especially in the summertime, I have 2 young children, and you're counting every penny and trying to stretch every dollar, and it just adds to that frustration. It's one more thing we have to factor in.
That's just the reason State Senator Art Linares fought against the tax increase.
Increasing the gasoline tax will only hurt families in the state, small businesses, senior citizens that will certainly have a problem with this tax increase.
Now, the senator there didn't vote for this tax increase. In fact, he wasn't even in office when they voted on it, because that happened back in 2005, and back then the economy was doing much better and gas was much cheaper. The idea was to put the money towards improving roads and bridges, but now the state needs the money from the increase to go into the general fund. The governor says more fuel-efficient cars mean the state is getting less and less money from gasoline taxes.
We're undertaking a long, hard look at what we need to do and how we can pay for it.
He estimates an average family will pay an additional $18 or $19 a year from this tax. It seemed okay 8 years ago when a Republican governor signed it into law.
I don't really care whose idea it was, why it's happening, whose fault it is. I just want to prevent the gasoline tax from going up.
Now, the senator there got thousands of people to sign an online petition to try to get Governor Malloy to halt this tax hike from happening. That didn't work. Now he is hoping for a special legislative session to try to stop the tax hike. Live in New Haven, I'm Kent Pierce, News 8.